I think it's a great event where you're able to get together industry leaders. It's been a great exchange of thoughts. It's a good part to have also academia together with it. It gives you a great view into how industry and academia can partner together in this changing, high-paced changing world of technology. I think there's quite a lot of things happening. One, of course, with the kind of technology stack India has been built, the whole digital public stack is something which has already put us in that global map. With the whole manufacturing prowess coming back to India, that's another area which I see over the next 5 to 10 years, India will take a lead in multiple areas, and especially from the organization which I'm coming from, where we are investing into a lot of the new upcoming areas from a manufacturing point of view. That is another area where India can be a thought leader. Again, marrying technology with manufacturing, India will be a leader in that space, whether it's semiconductors, whether it's aerospace, a lot of things happening in that area. A key part, I think, is about, especially from a leadership point of view, is on how do you, one, assimilate all this fast-pacing world, what we call as the VUCA world, and then ensure that you're able to still make decisions in hours or in days. And that's where a critical part of leadership comes into play, because earlier you could still have time to take decisions, but now people expect that with the aid of technology, with the aid of AI, you are able to take those decisions in hours and days. And that's going to be a critical standout and also going to be a critical enabler in this fast-pacing, fast-changed world. So one of the critical aspects which came through the discussion is on a lot of the AI use cases. I think we are very jacketed and focused into one area. I think forums and conversations like this gives us that opportunity to open up on how we can open up the usage of AI and how we can start leveraging it, not just from a corporate point of view, but also marry that on how we can bring in the larger society into play. That's been a good forum. And these forums, once it happens across multiple locations, multiple countries, will able to bridge that gap on what is happening in corporate versus what else can be done for the larger good of society is a great thought leadership which Asia Dialogues can take ahead.